Hey everybody, this is Harshit and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how easy it is to build AI startups using Cursor and open source projects. So the very first thing is I just want to show you guys my own website, which I've just built. And I've built this literally just yesterday. When I was a non-coder, I used to pay people to build websites like these. And if you can have a look at it, it has everything. It houses everything, the about section, my work that I've previously done, and if there are any sponsors who want to sponsor my content, and also consulting, where I'll be starting my own consulting classes, where I'll be teaching you guys how to go from zero to a coder in 4 weeks. And it's not completely done yet. I'm still adding stuff in. And as you guys know, I'm also building my own community as well for $49 a month. All community members can come in. They can learn about AI, grow together. And don't think of this as, I'm just trying to shell this to you guys, but I just want to share with you guys how easy it is to build. For me as a creator, just building this completely on Cursor and just taking this, pushing this on Vercel, it was so easy. And this is my entire code. It's currently sitting here, right, on Vercel. That's why you can see this. And that's my point here, right? And I'm glad that you guys are watching my video, because right now I'm just going to show you guys how you can do this stuff and replicate this as well. So right now I have an idea, right? So first let's start off with idea. So I have a couple of ideas. I want to implement those. So what exactly do you need? So first, now the first point is I'm trying to create a chatbot where the team members can directly chat on Slack, and the visitors would be able to see that on a widget. All right. So there are companies actually doing it. This is one company called Social Intents, and it's actually worded much better. It says live chat for Slack, live chat with website visitors, right from Slack, no more switching between chat clients, handoff to ChatGPT powered chatbots. All right, that's basically it. So it's going to be this simple chatbot, and anytime the visitor asks something, the team member would be able to see that in their Slack and then reply to it. All right, so this is basically what I want to build. I think they offer a lot of stuff, right? But why am I building this? It's because me working at YC companies, I've noticed that a lot of companies are missing out on a lot of visitors. There are people coming onto the platform, but what if you immediately get a Slack notification saying, hey, there's someone who's visiting your website, there's someone who's currently on your website. You can immediately start pinging them saying, hey, thanks for visiting the website, what do you think of this? Or DeepSeek powered bot can even start talking to it, and then maybe you could take over, or someone else from your team could take over, right? I'm pretty sure there's a big market for this. And if you want to do some market research, you can also look into the revenue as well. I found this on Indie Hackers. Their revenue is about like $65,000 a month. It's actually self-reported revenue. I'm not sure if that's what it is, but what I'm saying is, you can do market research, but just go ahead and build it, man. It's just gonna take you like a couple of days. Just go ahead and build it. All right. So this says 780K, and they founded this in 2014, and this is how their graph looks like, right? So what if I try to capture a market share of this, right? So that's basically what I want to do. But the best part is I don't really have to build it myself. And guys, as you guys know, I'm a non-coder, but at this point I feel if I'm able to ship products like these, even a slick website like this, why does coding, not coding matter? So I found this guy, Shreyas, I think, has been posting a lot of repositories, open repositories. So I was just scrolling, all right? So all I did was simple, just say SaaS website, and you can find a lot of these. The thing is, if you have an idea, you don't have to start from scratch, and do not start from scratch, all right? Just pick some open source project, download it like I've just done. I've just downloaded the website, and I'm just going to put that on Cursor, all right? So let me open Cursor here. My Cursor. You know what? Let's try this out. This is Trey by the founders of TikTok. That's ByteDance. Yes, it's super similar, right? So this is basically how it looks like. And that's the code base, right? Now I have the code base for the entire website. And if you also want to have a look, Linkify, and this is how the website looks. And I think it's okay, right? That's a pretty good website. A lot of SaaS companies have really bad website, and this website I can just make it white mode, customize as like the way I wanted to, add my logo, add my stuff, add videos, do whatever, and just get this website up and running really quick. So just that's the idea, right? So take something from GitHub, put it on Cursor, make some customized changes, and then push it first. And now once you have the website, you also need the dashboard, right? So in most cases, you're only going to have the dashboard itself. You don't need anything extra. But right now, there are two products. There's basically the chatbot itself, and there is the dashboard where the team members can directly, maybe like change the logo, change the color, name the chatbot in a different way, add sources from their website, from their blogs, or even custom sources or custom prompts that they can add. So if you're building any kind of SaaS products, most likely you'd only need the dashboard. But in this case, I need the product also. I just start these because that's what I'm going to use. And even this one is open source, right? Now, if you just open this, it's basically everything's built on Shadcn UI. And again, it's super, super easy to build. And see, I mean, you literally have everything here, right? There's a forgot password section as well. Components. Okay, they've actually added every single component of Shadcn UI into this itself. So of course, you can delete all these, but you can simply customize this, put that again on Cursor, customize this, everything. So that's basically it. That's how easy it is to just go ahead and build the products. And yes, if it's a large scale product, it will take time. But the thing is, I'd say pick something really small, pick a really small problem to solve and just solve it and just ship that product. It could be anything. It could be a simple browser extension, a scraping extension. It could be anything. And if you're running out of ideas, you know what to do. Just go to DeepSeek, ask it questions, ask it exactly what it thinks of it and how to build it. For now, you know what? I'm just gonna add this link and just brainstorm with it. All right. I want to build a product like this. Give me your thoughts and do some market research. It's going to do some base level market research, not as good as ChatGPT's deep search. This is fine. I'm still looking for Google Deep Search. Yeah, I don't know if Google Deep Search is available for me right now. Yeah, Google Deep Search. I don't know. I don't know if it's available, but yes, just go ahead, do some brainstorming, get that idea, and just go ahead and ship it. All right, just simply just go ahead and ship it. That is the goal. And that's basically what I'm doing as well. I just shipped my website just yesterday, and you can get in touch with me. I'm still updated everything, but you can do that. Also, the best part is when I ask for people to subscribe to my newsletter, it's just going to be this harshit.io/subscribe, and you can just enter in your email address and then subscribe, and you'll be subscribed to my email newsletter where I'll be sharing you ideas about building products with AI, making money with AI, and also escaping this grind, right? Because the whole point is you don't want to be a prey to the future of AI, because you have to use these tools and really do something, right? So yeah, that's basically the goal. And now I was just go ahead and have a brainstorming session with ChatGPT. It says demand drivers, competitive landscapes, Forbes advisors, top picks. Okay, competitors like Intercom and Salesforce Service Cloud emphasize automation and analytics. Okay, and okay, what is it? Okay, and Slack native workflows. Yes, Slack native workflows are super important because most people, most companies and SaaS companies, remote teams even, they're all working on Slack. And if you have everything integrated on Slack itself, then it's just going to be so easy for you to manage customer support, right? I think it's a no-brainer. And I did look for companies as well, but they aren't that good. So what if it's like that cream niche maybe I could focus on, right? So that's something that I want to share with you guys. And also, this is Harshit Ventures, guys. Even this website is similar to mine, but this is specifically for Harshit Ventures. It's my own venture fund. And in this, in my portfolio, I'll be adding all the companies that I'll be building and the one that I've even exited. Okay, these are still placeholders, but that's basically what I'm gonna do. And if my company does really well, if I'm doing some good MRR, maybe I could even do another acquisition as well, because the first acquisition, Artisan.ai, was acquired for $100,000, and maybe I could do the exact same thing with another company as well, right? So that's what I want to focus on. And this is Harshit Ventures. Yep, I'm basically trying to, brand myself like the Silicon Valley tech guy. That's why this whole sleek website and everything, because everyone that I've spoken to from SF, they've all got their own website. And that's why I want to do this. I just want to, build something really quick. It's taken from GitHub and just go ahead and build it on your own. All right, so that's what I'm saying. Just don't wait for anything. Just go ahead, build it, build, ship as much as possible and ship as quickly as possible. I just want to show you guys a tweet by Levels.io. Yes, so Levels is, is the OG SaaS guy, and this is what he says. He actually talks about, starting companies, right? Yes, that's basically what he says. The richest man in the world runs 10 projects at the same time. Tesla cars, Tesla solar, so and so. All right, so this was the first tweet. Let's be clear, most people get rich by doubling down on one project over and over. I've also played it this way in the past and thought it was a good idea. It can work of course, but generally don't do it. So yeah, so this guy says don't do many. Yeah, this tweet was cryptic as shit. But yes, he says don't do many. But I think you should. Because if you're just starting out, you should just go ahead, build as many products as possible. Just keep building as many as possible. And that's when you'll actually get this one product that people really like. Right? So that's basically the goal. And that's what I want to do it again. Right? So yeah, and if you're actually another company, if you need some consulting services, if you're a company that wants to sponsor my YouTube videos or be in my newsletters, I'm completely open to do so as well. So please do reach out to me. And yeah, hopefully I grow this year as well. And thanks again for all the love and support, guys. Hope you guys build something really good. Peace.